Hello friends, welcome to Excel in Career. In this tutorial, we are going to start list. So list is a data type used to store any type of data. So list is basically very easy, and list is mutable. Means I will tell you that is strings are immutable, that we cannot change the values of string. So list is mutable, we can change the values of list. So for example, we can store any type of value, that is float, int, string. We can store any type of value in that, bool. Uh, so let's say I created that list. So here I write L, okay. And if I want, so same thing is done, that is slicing we have learned in that last video. The same is that, so we want the print of L of say 1. So let's run. So this will give me a 2. So this will give me a 2, that is first, zeroth, first, second, third. And if I want a length of L, so this will give me a 4. So this is 4. So I think you understand that slicing, and this is very easy in the list. That is how slicing, that's is the same that we have discussed in the string. So let's learn the different part. That is, let's say some of how example, let's say x of 0 to 3, 0 to 4. So here 0 1 2 3. So here all list will count, because fourth is excluded, and here fourth is not present. So that's why I have to close the bracket. Let's run. So here I write 1. From 1 it will starting. If I write here 0, so it starts from 0. So I think you understand that how. Or let's say if I want to change, that is L of 2, means here I want to replace with 2. And now print L. So list is mutable, that's why the value of second index is changed. Now it's become 2. So I think you understand that list is mutable, that is we can change the values of list. So I comment this and control slash, and here I write something new list, that is say x is equal to, I write 2 comma 5 comma 1 comma 45 comma 3. I write here, and I want a sort of list. So you have to understand that two things, that if I want x dot sort, so this will become sort, this list becomes sort. So print x. So let's run. So this will give me 1 2 3 5 4 5. I think you understand that sort. Or if I want this to be in a different list, so I simply write, I comment that. And if I want to be in a different list, so for example y is equal to x dot, so I simply write print sorted of x also. So this will give me 1 2 3 4 5, but this is different, that is this value is stored in another variable. For example, here I write print x. Let's say print x. So this is 25145 3. The actual list is remains same. So I can also write in this way also, y is equal to sorted of x and print y. So the sorted value is stored in the y. So I think you understand how exactly this works. So if I only write, x dot sort, so this will store in an actual list. So I think you understand this is the big concept that I told you. So you must care about that. So so 1 2 3 4 5. This will sort in a actual list. So let's say I would like to append something. Let's say x dot append 45. Sorry, 45 432. Okay. So I want to append. So this will append at the last. Let's say print x. Let's run. So this will append at the last. So I want to insert something, that x dot insert 3 comma something. I want to add something string. So this will add at third index. I write something string, that's why you learn something new. So here we write print x. Now run. So at the index 3, so at index 3 this this string is added. So now you understand that, that's why I use the string, so that no confusion is created. So at the 3 index this is added. I can write another. I can write 87. Now run. So at index 3 87 is added. Now you understand that how insert keyword is work. Insert is now let's say x dot extend. Let's say here I write list 3 comma 87 comma 54 comma 56. So here I created a list and I want to extend x. So here I write print x and then run. So my list is extend. So 3 87 54 56 are added. So now you understand that three methods are important: append, extend and insert. These are used for to insert something in a list. So let's control A, and so here I create and comment. So let's learn new thing, that is x is equal to, let's say 2 3 12 comma 45. Okay, 56. Okay, so now I want to pop, then x dot pop. So print x. So this will pop, this will delete the last element. So I will run. 56 is deleted. Now you understand that I can write x dot remove, and I want 3, means 3 is deleted. So here 2 12 56. So I think you understand that pop, remove, and I write, let's say I write delete x of 1 2 3, means I want to delete first index and the second index. Here I already discussed about the this 3 is excluded. That's why from 1 2 are deleted, means 3 and 12 are deleted. Let's run. So here only 2 and 56. So now you understand that how delete, pop is work and remove work. So let's learn new things. Okay, so I delete and I want to reverse the string. So I already told you about the method, that is y is equal to x of minus 1. This is used for reverse the string, so I simply write here y. So this will reverse the string. I already told you about this method, and I told you about new method, that is, let's say, so here I write x x dot reverse. So the list will be reversed. So this reverse. So I think you understand that the two method is used to reverse the list. Let's say I want to find print max of x. So I simply write here max of s. So 56 will be print. So here 56. Similarly, I write mean of x. So here 2 is print. Similarly, I write sum of x. So this will give me a sum 73. So I think you understand about the list. So it's very easy. So this is simply for the list, and we will cover tuple in the next video.